Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Suzuki GSX-R 1000. This bike has 16,600 miles on it roughly and it still is in excellent shape. It has had a very light tip over on the left hand side, which I'll show you when we go around, plus it's got some nice gear on it. So let's take our walk and then we'll fire it up. Like I said, overall this leader bike is in excellent condition. It's really still very sharp looking. Comes with a dark tinted windscreen. Front tire still in great shape. Got plenty of miles left on that. Comes with Rizoma grips, frame sliders, tank pad, Power Commander 3, a full Two Brothers exhaust, stand spools, a fender eliminator. Tell by the back tire that's in great shape. Again, stand spools. It also has a 520 chain on it. So the tip over on the left hand side, like I said, was pretty light. We've got a little scratch in here underneath the tail section. Joe, better look at it there. There we go. A little bit on the lever, a little spot here on the mirror, and our engine cover. But like I said, it's really light. I mean, the damage is really minimal. It's hard to see actually even. Alright, show you those miles now. 16,588 is what's on it. Camera down here. This GSX-R 1000 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and your accessories for the entire time you own this bike from us. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.